In today's review, we'll be discussing the highly anticipated 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe, an icon in the off-road world that continues to excel in the plug-in hybrid market. As Jeep progresses towards its goal of zero emission freedom, the brand is offering even more sustainable and capable SUV options for customers. New for 2024, the Wrangler 4xe features the Jeep 4xe power box, which includes four 120-volt outlets and 30 amps of total output, allowing the battery pack to power external devices. The 2024 Jeep Wrangler, known for its off-road prowess, authentic design, open-air freedom, advanced powertrains, superior dynamics, and innovative safety and technology features, builds on its legendary history. The latest evolution of this iconic SUV provides even greater capability, new technology, and advanced safety features while maintaining the Wrangler's go-anywhere, do-anything spirit. The 2024 model year brings exciting upgrades, including the first full-float Dana rear axle, new factory-worn winch, and increased 5,000 pounds tow capability. Inside, drivers and passengers can enjoy more comfort and safety with a new interior featuring available power front seats, standard 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen radio, and standard side curtain airbags in the first and second rows. The 2024 Jeep Wrangler will be available in Sport, Willys, Sahara, High Altitude, Rubicon, and Rubicon 392 models. Ordering is now open, with vehicles arriving in U.S. dealerships later in 2023 and availability in global markets as well. The new 2024 Jeep Wrangler offers the most diverse powertrain options in the off-road segment, ranging from the 49 mpg electrified 4xe plug-in hybrid to the V8-powered 470 horsepower Rubicon. Customers can choose the propulsion system that best suits their lifestyle, with advanced 4xe lineup, high-performance Rubicon, and 2-liter turbocharged i4 engine exclusively paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. The 3.6-liter gas engine is available with both a 6-speed manual transmission and an 8-speed automatic transmission. With a proven body-on-frame design and finely engineered 5-link suspension system, the new 2024 Wrangler delivers unrivaled capability, refined on-road dynamics, and advanced safety features. The vehicle is designed to protect critical components during off-road adventures with 4 skid plates, rugged tubular steel rock rails, and lightweight high-strength aluminum closures. The new 2024 Jeep Wrangler also boasts an iconic design with a new grille, wheel designs, and multiple open-air freedom options, allowing customers to customize their off-road experience. Wrangler's interior also offers plenty of storage space, including a redesigned center console, glove box, and a lockable storage bin under the rear cargo floor. Standard USB ports and available wireless charging add to the convenience, ensuring that your devices stay charged during long adventures. For the first time in a Jeep Wrangler, power front seats with lumbar support are available, providing enhanced comfort for both the driver and front passenger. The standard 12.3-inch Uconnect 5 touchscreen radio and side curtain airbags for the first and second rows further enhance the interior experience. In summary, the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe is an outstanding addition to the Jeep lineup. With its unmatched off-road capability, authentic Jeep design, open-air freedom, advanced powertrains, and innovative safety and technology features, the new Wrangler is set to continue its reign as the best-selling PHEV in America. As the Jeep brand moves towards electrification, the 2024 Wrangler Rubicon 4xe is a prime example of how the brand is evolving without compromising the qualities that have made it an icon. So, if you're looking for a capable, sustainable, and cutting-edge off-road vehicle, the 2024 Jeep Wrangler Rubicon 4xe should be at the top of your list.